So my tuning chip just came in today. Let's get her opened up and let's see what it looks like. So when we open the package up, here is the, this plugs into your OBT2 port or whatever it's called. If I can get it open. And this is all it is right here. Heck yeah. Now we just gotta go plug it in the truck. It also comes with a sticker and then like what to do with it. So if you want your own chip, this one adds 60 horsepower and adds 5 miles per gallon. So we're gonna actually test if that's true, and I'll update you guys in a later video. But go check out Thornton Chip Tuning if you want some. I got this for free from them. Go check them out.